Good morning, students. Today I will discuss with you all the circulatory system or the blood vascular system of cockroach. We all know that when we talk of circulatory system, we are talking about specific structures which pump the blood. In case of cockroach, or we can say that in case of insects, the blood is called the hemolymph. It is a colorless liquid containing specific cells called hemocyte and plasma. The hemolymph is devoid of any respiratory pigment like hemoglobin, and the purpose of this fluid or liquid is circulating the nutrients into the tissues. Besides the hemolymph, circulatory system consists of heart, which in case of cockroach or insects like grasshopper, it is tubular and present on the dorsal surface of alimentary canal. Cockroach has 13 chambers in its heart. The circulation in insect is that of open type. I have already discussed in previous classes what an open circulatory system means. Open circulatory system means that there are no capillaries and vein present. The blood does not flow through a closed vessels. At one point, the vessels are open. All the tissues are bathed in the hemolymph. We know that all the tissues, all the organ present in cockroach or insect, they are present in the coelom. And this coelom is filled with the fluid known as the hemolymph. Coelom or cavity of insect is called the hemocoel, and the fluid which fills up the hemocoel is called the hemolymph. All the tissues are bathed in the hemolymph, and thus the exchange of nutrients and waste occur from the tissues into the hemolymph, and the nutrient are supplied from hemolymph to the tissue. So this is the nutshell about circulatory system of cockroach. The blood vascular system of cockroach is poorly developed and it is of open or lacunar type. Why? Because the blood vessels are open, and the vessels open not into capillaries but into the space or sinuses, so that the blood or the hemolymph come in contact directly with the tissues. However, the vascular system of cockroach consists of hemocoel, the blood which is called hemolymph, and the heart. Hemocoel. In embryonic stage of cockroach, a large perivisceral coelom is found like that of an earthworm, but as the growth proceeds, the blood vessel enlarges and swell into irregular space, and finally they completely obliterate the perivisceral coelom. and replace it by such irregular space called sinuses.